Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nubia Focus Pro and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And here, let's tap on this model section, kind of. And as you can see at the bottom of the model information, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.